Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Vermont. So the first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you start your own LLC. And the first thing you want to do is when you're going to enter Incfile, you click Start My Business. Now, I always recommend for everyone that as your business owner, you should focus on generating revenue, running the business. You shouldn't care about too much about accounting, administration, how to start a business. Just focus on things that are important to growth. And here I'm going to choose the LLC and then state of formation. I'm going to find it right here, Vermont. And when you have it, then you have three options here: silver, gold, or platinum. So in the moment when you're going to choose the silver, this is the basic package. And what I recommend is going with the gold one, only because not only you're going to have the free registered agent as in every single plan, but you're going to have also the business tax consultation, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, unlimited phone and email support. So in gold, you're gonna have covered a lot of stuff. Then you get also option to have a platinum, in which you're gonna have the business contract template, expedited filling, domain name and business email. Expedited filling means that your company would be filled faster. So when we have the gold version here, I'm going to click get the gold package. And then I'm going to the first name, last name, and email. So I will go Marcus Stonelius and email address zavina@gmail.com. Now I'm going to add a phone number here. Okay, and when you got it, you want to add a street address, city, and state, Vermont. And when you got it, I will also add like this. Click next. Now you can have a state filling time within 3 business days or 3 weeks. That's completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. I'm going with the 3 business days here. How fast your LLC is going to be on. And then you're gonna have the LLC name. So here you have to add name of the company. You can go, let's say I'm with Sunway Marketing, but you can make it Bakery by Jessica or whatever you name the LLC name, and the designator, LLC. Number of members, I'm going with 1, and business purpose. So I'll have, so this is a consultation, let's say marketing service for small business owners. And when I have it, I will also add the industry keyword here. So let's say marketing, and I'm going to choose the marketing consulting services. If you're construction, you write here construction and you would find your own category. Then company address information, you just choose it here. And then you're gonna have the option to upgrade for premium service. So you see right here the upgrade for only $99, and you're gonna have the business contract templates, domain name, business email address. So if you want, you can also upgrade for premium service package, and you can click here get upgrade and bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. So I'll click here get upgrade and bonus. So if you need, let's say, 25 contract templates, you can easily find them here. And then click here. Now you're gonna have members here. So you can have member as a company or individual. So I will choose individual, but if you're representing company, you have to click on a company and then fill everything else. And then click next again. Now there is going to be a registered agent information. A registered agent receives and forwards important legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company. So right here, when you're going to be, you see that Vermont requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. And I recommend again going with Incfile, because Incfile is going to cover it for you for 1 year. Then you see there is a price for it. Or you can do it, you can I would like to act as my own registered agent, or the registered agent will be company. You choose it here. So I'm going to leave it right now for Incfile. Then I will press next again. And then you're going to find the tax identification number information here. I'm for an individual and don't have a social security number. So I'm going to choose the first name, last name, and SSN number. Physical street address. Tax identification number information. It's an employer identification number. We will like the Incfile will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the A number, so that's really good. Then you're gonna press next again, and then you have option to set up small business banking. So you can have Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. So you can open a bank account with the Bank of America. And when you go further, the next step is a tax strategy free consultation. So you can easily have a tax strategy and free consultation with Incfile. So yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. This is really important because like you will understand how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce the self-employment taxes. So all the important stuff. Then I would click next again. And here we identify 2 licenses for consulting in. And that's how we do it. So yes, no thanks, I'll do the room myself, or yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary application. That's another thing that I recommend for you definitely to do. Click next. And then you're gonna have the review order here. And then you can press next again. And here you're gonna have the billing information. And you're gonna have the name, the address, the card number. And that's pretty much it. And here, this is how we finish it. So when you're gonna finish it, this is how you're gonna do it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. And I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.